Hi, this is Devashish from Circuit Digest once again back with another quick and interesting video. And in this video I'll be showing you the op-amp based monostable multivibrator circuit that you can build very easily, very quickly. So there are, as you can see, there are very few components involved in this making of this circuit, and the jumper wire is providing power. So for power I am using this 4.5 transformer, and to show you the output I'm using my hand-take oscilloscope, which you can see right here. So if I press the button, as you can see, a pulse come, and it's almost, as you can also see, the time per division is 200 milliseconds. So square on that graph is 200 milliseconds, so which we calculated the pulse time for 100 milliseconds, and as you can see, it's more than 100 milliseconds, because the value of the capacitors, resistors, and the temperature on my room, that all depends on the output. I have pressed that. As you can see, the pulse width is very constant, depends on, it does not depends on what time or how I press the button. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, that was a quick video. Thank you for watching.